Pakistan has, since Operation Sindoor, trying to hide the damages caused by Indian air and missile strikes. Now, a confidential Pakistani dossier on its internal military operations, named Banyan-un-Marsus, is surfacing in the media, which reveals that at least 8 more locations other than those disclosed in media have suffered severe damages in Indian strikes. A map in the dossier showed Indian strike in Pakistan damaged structures in Peshawar, Jhang, Hyderabad in Sindh, Gujarat in Punjab, Gujranwala, Bahawalpur, Attock, and Chor on the intervening night of May 9-10. These locations were not mentioned by Indian armed forces during the press briefing held after May 7 counteroffensive. And the map revealed locations struck by India on the intervening night of May 7-8. It also reveals that the call of ceasefire came from Pakistan government and not on Indian government initiative. Satellite images captured by Naxar Technologies revealed significant damage to 4 air bases in Pakistan: Noor Khan Air Base in Rawalpindi, Pak Air Force based Musaj in Sargodha, Bolari Air Base, and Pak Air Force Base Sabaj in Jacobabad. Satellite images also revealed destroyed terror infrastructure in Pakistan, Bahawalpur and Muridke. More than 100 terrorists were killed in Indian operations. The operation was launched to avenge the April 2022 Pahalgam attack, which was later planned by the Resistance Force, TRF, an offshoot of Lashkar-e-Taiba. Among the Pakistan's fighter jets losses in Operation Sindoor, the biggest setback was its loss of 2 surveillance aircrafts, Saab 2000 airborne early warning and control system, valued at approximately $340 million. Out of these 2, one was shot down by S-400 missile system at a distance of approximately 314 kilometers, while the other one was struck by BrahMos missile while at Bolari Air Base. It resulted in 22% reduction in entire AIWNC fleet of Pakistan, which was numbered 9 previously. Other fighter jet losses include F-16 Falcons, JF-17 Thunder, and Mirage-3. The precision strike by India's long-range weapons systems exposed vulnerability in Pakistan's air defense networks. That is all today from this side. Stay tuned for further updates. Have a very nice day.